Every year, thousands of people lose their lives or are seriously injured in crashes on European roads. Many casualties are vehicle occupants, but pedestrians, cyclists and motorcyclists are also frequently affected. In the last decades, the number of road deaths in Europe decreased by more than a half thanks to social and technological developments. One important factor is that European cars have become much safer. The Euro NCAP safety rating has boosted consumer demand for safer cars and has helped to make life-saving systems available across all markets. Vehicle technology continues to evolve and new innovations find their way into vehicle fleet every year. To inform consumers about what safety technology to look for in their new car and to provide car buyers with the best possible advice, Euro NCAP is continuously evaluating the impact of the latest technology on road crashes. With this knowledge in hand, Euro NCAP has once again updated its safety rating to promote further vehicle safety improvements and address some of the new challenges on our roads. Here are the most important changes for 2020. Frontal crashes are responsible for more deaths and serious injuries than any other accident type. Euro NCAP's new frontal offset mobile barrier crash test evaluates not only how well the car protects occupants in a vehicle-to-vehicle crash, but also how likely it is to mitigate serious injuries to occupants in the opponent vehicle. This compatibility test uses a new crash barrier design and the most advanced crash test dummy to date. Regulations to protect far-side occupants in side impact crashes do not currently exist, even though these occupants account for up to a third of injuries in side impacts. Euro NCAP has developed a new test to evaluate far-side occupant protection and the potential interaction between vehicle occupants in such crashes. This novel test encourages effective countermeasures such as center airbags, especially for smaller cars, which are associated with a higher risk in real-world crashes. Car safety has traditionally looked at crash protection and crash prevention. However, what happens immediately following the crash is an equally crucial determinant of the chance of survival. Post-crash safety ensures that emergency services can quickly locate the accident scene, extricate occupants, and administer medical assistance to those injured. For the first time, Euro NCAP rewards manufacturers that provide information for first aid responders and offer systems that allow fast intervention after the crash, such as advanced emergency systems like eCall. Crash avoidance technologies such as autonomous emergency braking and autonomous steering interventions have the potential to deliver significant crash reductions. Basic AEB systems preventing rear-end crashes into other cars or impacts with vulnerable road users have been rated since 2014 and will be mandated in the coming years. Euro NCAP is moving ahead by testing the newest generation of sensing technology that will intervene in more complex scenarios, such as turning across the path of another vehicle or reversing into pedestrians. Attention assist systems detect signs of drowsy driving and tell you when it's time to take a break, whether a driver is tired or otherwise impaired. Euro NCAP rewards manufacturers who install these and more advanced driver state monitoring systems to address the growing number of crashes related to impairment and distraction. With these rating updates, Euro NCAP encourages car manufacturers to provide ever greater levels of safety and makes sure that car buyers are kept informed about the safety benefits of the latest technologies available on the market.